on his homeboy. I keep trying to stop me out. Got an ex that misses, so yeah, probably praying for me out. Hey, running up some bands, trying to ball till I fall. In the Gucci store, finna tear that bitch down. Money on my phone, yeah, like a lit calls. Pussy like a drug, I need having withdrawal. Money, I need more. Get it, watch me go. I be out doing these bitches, I'm like Michael Basie though. Not the one to compete with, you don't want it.
It is 4:15 a.m. Excuse the shaking because I am driving, but it's only me and this semi truck that's way up there on the road. I just finished filling the tank up because budget rental car swear they gave me a full tank. Talking about returning on full when they gave it to me on half. No, I'm gonna return on half. I'll take a picture of it too. I just finished saying my prayers. And I'm just put on a good playlist and ride out. This is my first time driving this far by myself, but I have strong faith. I don't let things put fear into me. I try not to be scared about stuff that I really shouldn't be scared about, you know? And I try not to let others put fear into me either. And I understand they're just concerned, you know. I don't fault them for like, you don't have nobody else to ride with you, or you don't, you know. And I get it because I'm by myself. I am a female. I'm driving between at least 4 or 5 states. People are crazy. I get it, trust me. But nah, I'm gonna be good. Y'all, I made a quick stop. I am not too far from Florence, South Carolina. I stopped at a exit that we used to always stop at going to Virginia Beach to go see my family. We used to always come to this gas station that I'm at. It's a Shell. It's always been a Shell. These hotels, this Cracker Barrel, everything has been here. I remember being 6, 7 years old. All this was the same. The only thing, there used to be, I believe, a Quincy's, a part of the gas station, and Quincy's is gone. I'm like, oh, this is crazy. So, just a nostalgia, reminiscing. But about to get back on the road and head on to North Carolina.
Cause I know you got good taste and I love the way it tastes. Boy, tell me what you think. I know you want me.
South of the border.
Yeah, and I say yeah, talk like that. All up in my ear when he want that wax. Funny how the air into all intact. Can't even hear what I'm on like.
Welcome to North Carolina. That
Make that kitty learn. Wait, who's your mama? Who's your daddy? Lil' baby, he want a baddie. He want skinny with the fatty waist. Tell me how much you just want my body on ya, babe. Like the way you say it's yummy when I'm grinding on your face. Grinding on.
Oh my God. I'm in Virginia. Okay, I'm done.
Well, you can't stop. Oh, leave him alone. Leave him alone. I don't see how you can trust. I don't see how you need to leave him alone.
So somehow, you guys, I crossed over to DC and I forgot to record that part. So yeah, because as soon as I touched down in DC, I was tired, okay? So basically, I checked into the hotel with CJ the trainer, and I changed clothes, and we went to the venue, and the night went a little something like this. I just woke up. I washed my face. I still got my little natural vitamin E oil I put on my face. And I'm tired, boss. But today we are going to Philly. I've never been to Philly, so even though it's gonna be short-lived, I'm not like sightseeing or nothing. I'm just going there to work. But it's all a part of the grind. But I'm fully dressed. I don't like this weather because 61 degrees.
Red and my diamonds blue. Rosé red and my diamonds blue. Rosé red and my diamonds blue. Plus I keep a dime chick like 5 times 2. I like my rosé
Listen, when me and CJ was done with Philly, we were so tired. We was trying to find anything to eat and get back to DC. So I ain't recording nothing again, okay, y'all? But when we got back to DC, we did do some hookah now. Good morning, y'all. Listen, it was too early to function, so I'm already an hour and like 30 minutes out from DC. I done left. I'm in Richmond, just to put it in words, but I had such an amazing time between Philly, DC, all of this is the police, so I'm going to stop recording. Oh yeah, it's a car upside down. Listen, I'm old school, so I still cut the light off when I see the police. My mommy's always say that, so it stuck with me, okay? But yeah, it is 7:08 a.m. I'm in Richmond, Virginia. I'm just gliding, listening to throwback music from my city. I don't know why I felt like listening to a whole Duval playlist, but I am. Also listen to my homeboys. Just gliding. Is he fucking nigga once, she'll fuck a nigga twice. Baby on the yacht, so it's fucking nigga life. My squad super clean, fresher than your Listerine. Hugging single Gucci jeans, staying when I hit the green. It's too early for this shit. No, I got the triple bean, yes I am the man. Think I'm under 21 and all this ass up in my hand. Under 21, but ain't no X's on my hand.